iAutomation is a unique company in that we're 50% distribution and 50% contract manufacturer. We're the East Coast leading distributor for pneumatics and electronic components and mechatronics. And we also manufacture custom aluminum extruded lab equipment, pneumatic assemblies, and electronic control panels. Basically, we've been heavily involved in OzLINK since we took on NetSuite here in Mass. The key drivers for us were pretty simple: inventory integrity, traceability material, and process efficiencies. Our order fulfillment process is basically we print a batch of pick tickets, which are barcoded with an OzLINK scanned barcode. So we take the pick ticket, we scan it with the RF gun, and the gun then directs us where to pick the parts in the warehouse. We go to the bin, we pick the part, we scan the shelf and then the part itself, and then it goes into pick status in NetSuite. On a normal day, we would do anywhere from 100 orders with several lines to a busy day where we would do upwards of 200 orders. We have a need to see when components are on the floor versus in stock. OzLINK developed for us was a way for us to pick work orders and then have those parts automatically transferred to a work order bin. From there, when we go to do the assembly build in NetSuite, all the parts can be pulled from a general bin, which greatly reduces our processing time for assembly builds. Basically, right now we have 4 locations, 2 of which are holding about 8,500 SKUs of inventory. So being able to operate in the cloud allows us to have real-time tracking of our parts, which means cut down on unnecessary emails and phone calls between the 2 facilities. They can basically see what's happening real time. Is it picked? Is it packed? Is it shipped? So that really improves our response time to our customers. Being able to barcode our inventory has really improved our accuracy. We have a lot of parts where the manufacturer's part number is 16 to 20 digits long, and 1 digit in that part number makes it a completely different part number. So before, we would be relying on our operator's eyes to kind of, pick up one part and hope it's not the other one. Whereas having everything barcoded, if you scan the wrong part, the OzLINK gun tells you right on the spot, you picked the wrong part. So that basically eliminates the chances that we're going to ship the wrong part to our customer. We always say if you can text on a smartphone, then you can use an RF gun. The learning curve is basically a couple of hours. On occasion, we'll pull people from different departments to help us with inventory projects, and to get them up and running is literally a couple of minutes. The user menus and the way it's developed is super easy to use, and there's no problems there. We've come a long way in a year. We've developed work order picking. We've developed a cycle count process through OzLINK and the gun that has prevented us from doing a physical inventory for the first time in 10 years. Our inventory accuracy went from 83% to 99% within 1 year of incorporating OzLINK. We've basically been able to speed up our whole transaction process, including picking, packing, shipping, receiving, and really gained the accuracy that we were looking for.